Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to claim code in Archero 2. Claiming codes in Archero 2 is quick and simple. First, go to your profile in the top left corner, copy your user ID using the button beside it. Next, open your browser and search for the official Archero 2 gift exchange site, usually found on appy.com as the first link. Once there, paste your ID, enter the active claim code, and type the verification number shown above the claim button. Hit claim, confirm with yes, and if the code is valid, rewards will be sent directly to your in game mailbox. Finally, head back to the game, open the menu at the top left, go to your mail, and press claim all to enjoy your rewards. Remember, codes don't stay active forever, so keep an eye out for new ones and claim them as soon as possible to make the most out of these free perks. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.